Good morning. It's going to be a sizzling Friday. Heat wave alerts are in place all over the nation. So no matter where you are, you won't be able to avoid intense heat. And high humidity and strong sunshine will be the order of the day, so be well prepared. Most regions had tropical nights as overnight lows remained above 25 degrees Celsius, and you have lots of sunshine to start the day in most parts of the country. Be sure to drink plenty of water and stay in the shade during the peak heat of the day, and highs will be between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius this afternoon. It's forecast to get even hotter as well. This weekend and next week are shaping up to be sweltering early August days. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.